Here I have LG G7 Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to general section, then go to the restart and reset, select factory data reset, top reset phone, and then delete all. Yes, reset. And after that, device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.